Question 4. Trigonometric identities. Question 4. If sine theta equals to 3 over 5 and it's in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, find secant theta minus tan theta divided by cosecant theta plus cot theta. So let's make a small sketch here, okay? So that is our coordinate system, and when we say between 90 to 180, that means we are in quadrant 2, correct? Now in quadrant 2, according to the cos rule, and as you know as such, only sine is positive, right? Rest are all negative. So the positive thing here is sine and 1 over sine, which is cosecant, right? So these two are positive. Rest, tan, cotangent and secant will be negative, correct? That is one part. Now the second thing is, what we can do is, let's make a triangle. When we say sine theta equals to 3 over 5, then let's think about a triangle. Let me make it here. Now in this right angle triangle, sine theta, that means theta is this angle, right, is 3 over 5. That means opposite side is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So what is this side? This will be 5 square minus 3 square square root, right? Since this is 90 degrees. Pythagorean theorem, right? 5 square is equal to 25. So we have 25 minus 9 square root, which gives us square root of 16, and that is 4. So this side is 4 for us, correct? Now we know our triangle and we know all the sides. Now from here we can substitute the values and calculate, right? Now we need to find what is secant theta minus tan theta over cosecant theta plus cotangent theta. So let's plug in the values and find the answer. So secant theta is what? Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta, so it is 5 over 4, right? So let me write 5 over 4 for secant theta minus tan theta. Now remember, I did a mistake here. You know what? We are in quadrant 2, so secant theta should be negative, correct? So we'll write here negative. Negative 5 over 4, correct? So this triangle actually is here, okay? Now, I should have drawn here so that there's no confusion. Anyway, well, what we are doing is, we say that it's in quadrant 2, therefore secant will be negative, tan will also be negative. Negative of this value, okay? Tan theta is opposite over adjacent side, but negative 3 over 4, and negative will make it positive. So we have plus 3 over 4 for minus tan theta divided by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta will be positive or negative. It is reciprocal of sine, so it has to be positive. So it will be 5 over 3 plus cot. Cot is in this quadrant negative. So we'll write negative value of 4 over 3, right? So we'll say negative 4 over 3. So that is what we get in fractions. And now we can combine these things and write down our answer. So we get 4 is a common denominator here, right? Minus 5 plus 3 gives us 2. And how about this? 3 is a common denominator, right? 3. And we get 5 minus 4, which is 1. And that gives us 2 over 4 is half, 1 over 2, times 3 over 1. I did a mistake again. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Okay, so let me correct it. So, okay, so 3 over 1. So we get answer as minus 3 over 2. So be careful in your calculations. There are too many negatives to be taken care of. Okay, so try to do it sensibly, not like I'm doing. Okay, so let's revise. Sine theta is 3 over 5 and we are in quadrant 2 because theta is between 90 to 180 degrees. Sine and cosecant theta will be positive, all rest will be negative. Okay, so these three will be negative. Now we made our right angle triangle. 3 over 5 is the value of sine theta, therefore this angle is theta, opposite side 3, hypotenuse 5. Find the third side using Pythagorean theorem. So we get 5 square minus 3 square, which is 16, square root is 4. So we get 4 as this side. Now secant theta, take negative of this value, tan theta, take negative of this value, cosecant theta, take positive, not negative. rather reciprocal of sine theta. And cotangent, take negative. And then combine your terms, simplify, and write down your answer. Therefore, we say this is equal to minus 3/2. Okay? So that is our answer.